Oh, good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today is now Friday, February the 7th, 2025. I may have just found a hack. I don't know yet. This is my first time ever stopping at one of these places. Last night I stopped at the Pilot Flying J, or the Pilot, whatever it was over yonder, and there was a Chevron next door. I went in to look for my vapes, right? They told me, hey, there's a raceway right down the street, or a BP that you can go to, and that's where she said, that's where I get my stuff. Now, what do you get? She went Geek Bar. I was like, well, that's the same stuff I want. So like I said last night, I'll come down to the raceway and see what they got, and I did, and I'm stocked up for a little bit. And good prices too, 20 and 25. So they're good prices too. So that's a good thing. That's a plus. However, like I said, my first time at a raceway. I've been to racetracks and things like that, but racetracks, QTs, Circle Ks, and all the big ones, they don't sell stuff like this. It's usually the smaller people like the Exxons and the Chevrons and the BPs and things like that sell this stuff. But here's a raceway that sells this stuff, but that's not the hack. The hack is they have DEF here for $349 as well, just like QT. So I don't know if all the raceways are going to be $349 DEF, or if it's just this one here in Tuskegee, Alabama, just north of Mobile. I will definitely stop at other raceways from now on just to see that, because if I can get these everywhere I go, and the fuel here is $339, which is cheaper than the big stores, and it's about like a QT level, looks like. Granted, no discount, but our discount this week, I got fuel yesterday. Wherever I got fuel was $357 up there. It's a few hundred miles away, a couple hundred miles away. I got it for $320. But down in this area, everything seems to be like $380, $390. So if I would have stopped to get pilot fuel after discount, it would have been more than the fuel here. So maybe Raceway is a QT, and I went inside and said, hey, can I use my EFS on the pump? He said, yes. So what I went ahead and did, I just went ahead and filled up my DEF tank for $349. So, I mean, let me know, dude, what do you know about Raceway? Not racetrack, Raceway. Because it may be another option other than QT. I mean, of course, QT is cool and all, right? They're good. But, I mean, it's good to have the options for the 350 DEF versus the 430 DEF, you know? So, all right, so let me get this into the GP. I know we're like 8 hours away, because right now it is 8:51. I woke up at like 7:50. Just kind of like slow moving. I got my pre-trip done, came over here and just did this, and now it's 8:51. So I know we're 8 hours away. We're going to have to do a 30 somewhere along the line just so we don't push it too close. So 7 hours and 46 minutes. I mean, if I can drive straight through, probably will. But in reality, it's 500 miles even from where I sit. But in reality, it says I'll be there at 4:37 Eastern Central Time, 7 hours, 46 minutes. I'm probably closer to 5:30 before I get there. I mean, I'm sure I want to stop somewhere, take a piss or something. And then we'll find a place to park for tomorrow morning's pickup. So, all right, let's get to getting. I'm glad I got my re-up. I'm maybe Raceway is our new way of future, our new way of DEF purchase locations. I don't know. But anyway, let's get on the road this wonderful Friday afternoon, Friday, February 7th, and let's see what this trucking world has in store for us today. Thanks for being here, guys. Let's go. All right, so we have driven for 4 hours and 16 minutes. We've covered 290 miles. We are 213 miles away from Home Depot delivery. We just pulled off an exit. I had to use the restroom, and I wanted some water, and I got some pork rind snack on. Some rinky, this is a Conoco station, some rinky dink. I mean, if you need a place to park and you don't want really to use any facilities, then this is the place to be, but I mean, there's a convenience store. I mean, that's all. It's not a very clean place. There's even a little diner right there, but I'm not looking to go into a diner either. So we're going to go ahead and do a 30. We'll have 6 hours and 43 minutes to finish our day. The plan is, I'm hoping once I clear at the Home Depot, hopefully I can get it empty out of there, because I have a live load in the morning, and I'm going to try to find a Walmart between the Home Depot and my pickup in the morning to go do a Walmart shop. And if I can't possibly maybe get one delivered to me, I want to get like 5 or 6 rolls of hamburger. I want to get 18 things of eggs, and just some things for the truck, right? Because I would rather just eat hamburger and eggs in the truck versus grabbing something out here. So I don't know. Some sausage, bacon, whatever. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I want to get a Walmart trip done this weekend. I need to get stock. I need to stock the truck. So, but for now, we're going to munch on some pork rinds and hold out this 30, another 20 minutes, and then get on down the road. Get to Houston. All right, we just dropped the load over there. Come around and found it empty. The Home Depot, and I was looking for a rest stop or truck stop between here and where I'm going for tomorrow, and I found out the appointment's not until 10:15, so it's a 10 a.m. live load, but there's nothing between here and there for truck stops, or even Walmart said will even allow a truck on their lot. So there's a Flying J kind of like, it's 13 miles from here, so I'm gonna go to there. It says it's got 250 spots, and it says there should be plenty of spots available, but we'll find out when we get there. Right now it's 6:08. We took this one, 226150, 226150. Yep. We're just doing our completing our steps now. Our tasks, rather. It's not steps. And hit mark complete. Effective road side, rear early, driver's side, first braking. What was that? That's February 6th. Okay, that was an old one. Yeah, February 6th. This thing is in good shape. Good condition, judging by the DVR. So let's hit capture. We got to capture our bills for proof of delivery. Big old stamp, date, signed, all that good stuff. Crop it down just a little bit. Put it all in there. Use photo and save it. Damn it! Save it! Damn it! So I don't know if, well, I'm hoping when I get to the Flying J where I'm going, there's a Walmart close by, and it's not too late to get a delivery today. I'm gonna ask this guy on the way out. Remember a couple weeks ago, I asked what the Deglin letter was all about? Some of y'all said it was just to make sure we as drivers drop where they tell us to drive, so they can confirm it and all that. So I'm gonna ask him to confirm or deny that when we get out there. So do this. We just heard the governor go off, so the air test is done. Yard move to check out. I'm gonna ask him, see what he says. All right, y'all. That security guard, same thing. He said, I have no clue, bro. He has no clue what those numbers are for, or those letters are for. And I asked him, I was like, some of my subscribers told me that it was because you wanted to verify we would drop them off where you tell us to. And he looked at me like, no. So I was like, I don't know. He doesn't know either. He's like, some people here use numbers, some people here use those damn 2-digit codes. So whatever. It's going to be a mystery forever and ever. But now I'm at the Flying J. I'm in the Flying J in Houston here. I had to go up 45. It's off of exit 64 on Ritchie Road. And I just did a Walmart order. Why did I say Walmart weird? I just did a Walmart order. And what I ordered was... What did I say? Okay. What I ordered was... My total wound up being... $116. Now, $14.95 of that is for 3 hours or less, and $12.74 of that was a driver tip, 15%. So almost $30 of that is some fees and shit. $9 a dozen, $9 for eggs for an 18 count. What the hell? So I got two. I'm trying these new eggs. I usually get the great value ones there, but they weren't no cheaper. It was like 8 something change. So I got these market side organic cage-free brown large eggs. So I got 2 18 things of those. A couple bags of shredded sharp cheddar. I got 6 rolls of 85 or 15 ground beef. 2 15 counts of water, and I got 4 of the Great Day Farms hard-boiled eggs, 6 counts per. So, eggs, beef, cheese, and water. That's what I got. But that'll be enough food to last me the week. Because I'm telling you, man, if you haven't, like, if you put a pound, you fry up a pound of ground beef, throw 6 eggs in that son of a gun, throw some, scramble the eggs, fry the eggs, however you want to do it, and throw some cheese in there, throw it in a bowl. That meal is filling in itself, and it'll fill you for the day. It's good, you know, so I can do it. So, yeah. So that's gonna be it for tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video. I guess I'll get notifications when they start shopping for it and bringing this stuff to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start editing. Wait for them to come meet me here and get my stuff in the truck. So, anyway, guys, because right now it's 7:13 in the p.m. I've been here for about 20 minutes. So. That's it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all the support. And be sure to come to you're going to see this on Saturday, so be sure to be at the Power Hour tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Time with KO and Country. I have something new that I'm going to, I guess we have something new we're going to announce tomorrow. So come to the Power Hour show, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here or on KO's channel. Power Hour with KO and Country. Thanks so much, guys. We love you. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.